All right, there's one I forgot to talk to you about, and that is this kind of mold. So this is a silicone mold, often used for working with fondant, with cake decorating, or with Sculpey, maybe with Mod Podge and things like that. So this kind of mold, because it's this mold here is made out of clay or ceramic that's been fired, and it absorbs the water out of the clay, allowing the clay to release. This is not going to absorb the water out of the clay, so we need to use something else as a release. And so if you want to use those kinds of things, I have a little cup here that I just keep in the studio that has some clay in it, but also the main thing it has in it is cornstarch. And cornstarch is nice material. I just take a brush and kind of paint it in there, make sure I got a nice full coat everywhere. And then I can take some clay and press it into this mold. And you can, like I said, you can do this with any kind of silicone or plastic mold, any kind of mold that's not gonna release on its own. And because the cornstarch is there, when I go to pop this out of here, it came out really easily. It'll have a little bit of cornstarch on the surface, and that's fine, but you can also see that there's the texture there. These are fairly subtle little molds here, but as long as I'm careful not to squish the front of it, I can attach these kinds of decorations to my sculpture. Score and slip. Be sure to score and slip, but you can add those on there.